Do these issues arise?
Or you're another cell phone to talk with loved ones over unlimited distance. No matter the situation, send and receive voice simultaneously without waiting. Create or join a team in just 5 seconds with smart invite codes. Super easy to carry and check in whenever you need. Connect faster with lower latency than ever before. With innovative multiple standby groups feature, hear from all and miss none.
Let's go!
Meet the P30 and enjoy unlimited, effortless communication experience in work and play. Charge and go with peace of mind, as low battery is never a concern. Hytera's P30, the next-gen, easy-to-use radio that keeps you connected with every moment of your lifestyle.
Do these issues arise in your daily work? Restricted communication range, unclear voice during calls? Rest assured, Hytera P30 is here for you to deliver a more comfortable and efficient work experience. The P30 boasts a 170 grams body, the premium texture, and the weightless feel crafted by the Hytera UX Design Lab accompanies you throughout the day. It effortlessly adapts to diverse working environments as well. Keep your hospitality team aligned and informed all the time. Utilize the all-new P30 to link security, concierge, the front desk, guest services, housekeeping and maintenance, valets, and the catering staff, all combining to better serve customers and increase their satisfaction. With the P30 by your side, guests feel right at home. Municipal management, managing cities and districts, comes with unique challenges, and staying connected with various work groups is crucial. With full public network support, Hytera P30 offers instant group calls. With Smart Work Group switching all down on the radio itself, it can automatically detect ongoing call statuses, switching effortlessly between groups for you. A new generation of comms is here with Hytera's P30, all for a better, interconnected world. Property management. Backed by the latest in communication technology, Hytera's new P30 guarantees effective communication with ultra-low latency for property management. Whether you are in an elevator shaft or even an underground parking area, seamless communication is assured. Choose Hytera's new P30 and your communication worries are left behind. It's that simple. Logistics and taxes. Experience nationwide connectivity with the P30. Break free from geographical constraints and engage in seamless voice communication anytime, anywhere. If you are in taxi business, logistics, or transportation, you will know how crucial comms can be. With Hytera's P30 Park Radio, enjoy faster and more effective communication, all from one handy device. Scenic spots and theme parks. Managing scenic spots, public spaces, or theme parks, the P30 stands as a radio you can count on. 72-hour ultra-long standby time. By adopting optimized algorithms, the P30 minimizes energy usage, boosting a super long 72-hour standby time. Combine that with its IP54 rated dust and water resistance feature, and the P30 is ready for anything, rain or shine. Ensure your team stay connected more effectively than ever with the P30. Road trips. If you are heading out on a road trip with family and friends, don't forget to bring the P30 with you. With its rapid group setup feature, the P30 allows you to set up group comms in just 5 seconds. With instant comms guaranteed by the P30 on your side, you will be able to enjoy better and safer journeys ahead.
Envision a push-to-talk radio seamlessly integrating into your ideal lifestyle. Simply insert a SIM card and go. Scan the QR code and pair it to your phone within seconds. No matter where you are, it keeps you in touch effortlessly. Simply push to talk, checking in with family immediately with a single press. Even in bad weather, you can always be heard. Clearly and loudly with its unparalleled audio quality for sure. It's also your best partner for team communication.
Where are you?
I'm on the way.
Let's go!
Or you're another cell phone to talk with loved ones over unlimited distance. No matter the situation, send and receive voice simultaneously without waiting. Create or join a team in just 5 seconds with smart invite codes.
Hello everyone. Today we are discussing Hytera's communication solutions for the logistics industry. In the following time, I will take you to learn in detail how we help logistics companies solve the communication problems in actual operations. And please look at this typical warehouse operation scene. We observed 4 main problems. First, the warehouse is very large, and the traditional radios may face the problem of insufficient signal coverage. 2. The operators need to communicate frequently, but shouting is basically ineffective in a 100 decibel noise environment. 3. Mobile phones are inconvenient to use, and workers often carry goods with both hands. So, without the help of any electronic equipment, the current team communication efficiency is relatively low, and people outside the warehouse cannot know the specific situation inside the warehouse. Our P30 POC radio can perfectly solve these above problems, which use public networks for long-distance communication. It has 4 core advantages. 1. The large-scale and efficient communication. Large-scale and efficient communication. One-touch group call function can instantly connect all warehouse operators, allowing users to achieve efficient communication. 2. The terminal is small and portable, but the push-to-talk button is very large, so it can be very easy to operate even with thick gloves. And it supports multiple wearing methods, such as waist hanging and shoulder wearing, which is suitable for various work scenarios. 3. High-power speakers with intelligent noise reduction ensures clear calls in noisy environments. We also designed an external antenna to increase public network signal coverage by 50%. As the shopping carnival is coming soon, for large e-commerce warehouses processing massive orders during the peak hours, P30 will be an excellent choice. And in modern logistics and warehousing scenarios, we often encounter some special communication challenges, such as warehouse environments that are completely shielded from public network signals, or operating areas that lack stable power supply. The following is an introduction to our AP5 series narrowband commercial radios, which are reliable communication tools designed to solve these extreme scenarios. First, is the independent communication capabilities, completely separated from the public network, with communication coverage within a radius of 3 kilometers and stable signals penetrating multi-layer shelves and metal partitions. 2. Ultra-fast charging for scenarios without a scale power source. The AP5 series provides Type-C fast charging technology. A 10-minute charge can support 1 hour of continuous talk time, and a full charge can achieve 18 hours of ultra-long battery life. For example, when workers find abnormalities in cargo at the loading and unloading area, even if the device is running low on power, they can use a short break to charge and immediately restore critical communication capabilities. 3. Hands-free intelligent voice calling. During handling operations, when it is convenient to press the push-to-talk, you only need to increase the volume and the radio will automatically initiate a group call. After understanding the advantages of a single product, we need to think from the perspective of the overall solution. How to match the most suitable communication equipment for different types of warehouses. Next, through this comparison table, let's clearly understand the selection logic of the P30 and AP5 series. And let's look at the differences in the applicable scenarios. For P30 series, it is designed for large chain warehouses, such as regional distribution centers of national e-commerce companies. Such scenarios are characterized by large operating areas and high cross-regional collaboration requirements. And AP5 series, it is more suitable for localized small warehouses, especially places with complex electronic environments, such as auto parts warehouses or medical supply warehouses. And about the costs, P30 requires continuous investment in equipment and data SIM card, which is more suitable for large enterprises with sufficient budget. But for AP5 solution, mainly based on one-time hardware investment, more in line with the cost structure of small and medium-sized enterprises. But be careful not to simply compare hardware prices, but be careful not to simply compare hardware prices when making a choice. A customer's actual calculation shows that the cross-region collaboration capability of P30 has saved it 20% of its scheduling labor costs. Of course, no matter which product, reliability is always the core factor that the customers care about most. Next, we will analyze the irreplaceable product advantages of Hytera's radios from the following 5 dimensions. 1. No fear of low temperature environment. It can still operate stably even at minus 30 degrees to 60 degrees. For example, in the fresh food logistics center, our equipment always maintains stable communication in the freezer at minus 25 degrees. 2. Excellent mechanical strength. AP6 8 dust and water resistance level and 1 to 2 meters concrete job test certification. And 3, anti-interference ability, military-grade anti-interference design, even in strong interference places such as the substations. The measured communication success rate is as high as 99.7%. And we provide waist handling, shoulder handling, back clip, multiple wearing options, which is easier to hold. And what's more, Hytera is a strong R&D strength supports these performances. We have 8 R&D centers around the world that collaborate on the innovations. 15% of annual revenue is continuously invested in R&D, and 40% of employees are engaged in technological innovation. We have served more than 18 million industry users around the world. Hytera radios use military quality to ensure key communications and use global R&D strengths to provide customers with the most reliable communication guarantee solutions. And let's back to the topic. After the goods come out of the warehouse, they will enter the transportation link. However, a long-term driving can easily cause these problems for drivers, like the tired driving or when driving to remote areas, facing unstable signals. As a back-end manager, we also help that the drivers can follow the prescribed route and provide timely responses to the driver's emergencies. This solution provided by Hytera to the South African freight company can achieve comprehensive communication guarantee for staff from the warehouse to the transportation. In the warehouse, personnel hold P30 radios for communication, and during the driving process, our MNC 360 will escort the driver. After connecting with the dispatch, managers can monitor the driver's current location on the map at any time and respond to the driver's call at any time and protect their personnel safety. And why is it necessary to install a mobile radio? Because it is more complicated to make a call with an ordinary mobile phone, and the volume is small, the battery capacity is limited, and it is not convenient to charge during the long-distance transportation. Our vehicle radio is equipped with a large push-to-talk button to make a call with one click, a high-power speaker, and the volume is at least 5 times that of an ordinary mobile phone. It can adapt to various noisy environments, and it can be installed on the vehicle so that our mobile radio can obtain a continuous power supply. As you can see, our mobile radio has a clever structure and can adapt to most types of the vehicles. It can also be connected to an external gain antenna and an external camera. The programmable button can support one-click photo taking, video recording, and so on, which greatly improves the convenience of the operation. The design of 2 external antennas can double our signal reception capacity. Even in places where the public network is very unstable, we can easily access and get stable calls. We also have 2 SIM card slots, which means that 2 different operator SIM cards can be inserted. When the signal is unstable, our mobile radio will automatically switch and select a better network signal to access. And through this slide, we can see that how the mobile radio and the dispatch station work when they are linked. With our intelligent dispatch system, the whole process can be visually controlled. With the external camera on the vehicle, the dispatcher can pull up real-time radio monitoring to keep track of the transportation status at any time. Intelligent early warning functions such as electronic vans and speeding alarms help drivers proactively prevent risks and effectively reduce the accident rate. Let's summarize the value that the solution can bring to the customers. First, it saves money. It saves money compared to the mobile phones or telephones, and is particularly suitable for logistic companies that need to communicate frequently, and the communication cost is directly reduced. 2. Emergency. In case of accidents, cargo damage, and other emergencies, one-click call will respond within seconds to reduce losses. Increase efficiency. Real-time positioning and call at any time. Optimize vehicle routes and increase transportation efficiency. And the last one is ensure safety. Video surveillance and radio linkage, anti-theft and anti-loss. They handle abnormal situations immediately. So, using professional radios can save costs and ensure safety, not fall behind at critical moments, and make daily operations more efficient. Of course, the public network communication of the entire solution is inseparable from the support of the POC platform behind it. We support a variety of terminals for the customers. And at the platform layer, daily dispatch, recording and video playback, and terminal remote management are all available to meet customer needs in all aspects. Hytera, we will be responsible for the operation and maintenance for the entire platform. For our distributors, there is no platform cost, and they only need to promote it to the users of the traditional radios. POC will provide more diverse audio and video and application capabilities, which is also a smarter choice for the customers. For the POC self-operated platform, Hytera also provides comprehensive service support, including but not limited to weekly system health checks, remote support, professional platform upgrade service, to ensure the safe operation of the system. The above is all the content for today. I look forward to empowering your logistics business, and I wish you all a smooth work. Goodbye.